Hi friends, this is Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. In this tutorial, I will show you how to export and import records from a discussion tool created in Microsoft Office Grow 2007. Open Grow 2007 and log in with the account. Open the workspace with discussion tool. Here I have few topics and responses. We can export records in the form of binary XML, delimited text, Microsoft Office Excel 2007, tabular text, structured text, and XML without attachments. To export the records, come to File menu, navigate to Export All Entries, and here select the format you want. If we select binary XML, we can export binary XML that can only be imported into another Grow 2007 forms. Choose which records you want to export. Export all entries in view or export all entries in tool. I'm selecting export all entries in view. Click on OK. Select the location for the export and please add a name for this. Click on save. And we got the binary export on the desktop. Again come to File menu, navigate to Export All Entries. We can select delimited, which helps to export records to a CSV file which is compatible with MS Excel. Here I'm selecting Export All Entries in view and select Export Records created using this form. I'm selecting topic and click on OK. Again select the location. And we got the form in the form of .csv file. Again come to File. We have few more options. If we select Microsoft Office Excel, it will export the records in the form of a Excel sheet. And if you want, we can save this file. Again come to the workspace, navigate to Export All Entries and select to Tabular Text, which exports records as a tab delimited text file. This function is much same as delimited export except with a tab delimiter. Now let's open this. And here it is showing the topics created in Grow 2007. Again come to File menu, Export All Entries and select Structured Text, which exports records as a structured field delimited text file. Select the file, edit with Notepad, and it is showing the topics. Again come to File menu, navigate to Export All Entries, and we have one more option, XML without attachments, which helps to export records in a readable XML format. This is most useful when we want to read the exported XML file in a text editor. And this option is used most effectively with records that do not include file attachments. If records contain file attachment, the contents of these files may be removed on export. And after this, let's import records into a custom tool. Come to Discussion tool. To import the records, come to File menu and navigate to Import. Here we have the options Forms Binary XML, delimited file.csv, Forms 2.5 XML or binary, and discussion data exported to Forms V file. Let's select to Forms Binary XML and please choose the form. Here I'm selecting topic, click on OK, and on desktop I have the binary file. I'm selecting that, click on Open. And here it is showing the topics and responses. Similarly, I want to create one more discussion tool. Come to File menu, navigate to Import. Here I want to select delimited file, that is .csv file, and here please select topic, click on OK, and on the desktop I'm selecting the .csv file, click on Open, and here it is showing only the topics. And in Grow 2007 we cannot use Forms 2.5 XML or binary because Grow 2007 no longer supports Grow form tools created using Grow 2.5. And one important note that imported records can be viewed only if the Forms tool application contains corresponding fields. and view columns. For example, if you import a file exported from a Forms tool application that contains name and address fields, we see the imported records in the data view only if the target Forms tool also contains these fields. And when we import a .csv file into a Forms tool, the column headers in the CSV file must match the exact names of the associated fields in the Forms tool in order for the field values to import properly. To achieve this exact matching, it is important to know how to correctly identify the field names in the Forms tool and to remember that field names are usually not the same as their associated field labels. And if you want to check the field names, come to View menu and select Go to Designer option. Here please select Topic and it is showing the label field type and field name. And we need to remember these field names. Again click on Go to Data View. Like this, we can export and import records from a discussion tool created in Microsoft Office Grow 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.